Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure you're on a supported Eclipse release and that Java JDK is installed. Once done, close Eclipse so changes apply cleanly, make a quick workspace backup, and jot down active plugins. Now launch Eclipse and open Help Eclipse Marketplace to search for dark theme support or the dev style plugin. You're starting practical steps immediately. Installing the theme plugin is faster and more reliable than manual CSS edits, so proceed to add it now and accept any security prompts. You will install the chosen theme. Dev style is full-featured. Eclipse color theme is lightweight. Install from Marketplace, then restart Eclipse when prompted. Restarts finalize UI plugin integration. Once restarted, open Window Preferences and navigate to General Appearance to select the new dark theme. Next, refine editor syntax colors under Java Editor Syntax Coloring or under the Color Theme pane. Increase contrast, adjust background, and pick font colors to preserve readability. These tweaks prevent eye strain and keep syntax highlights clear. Finalize by applying the theme globally and scanning key views, Editor, Console, Outline, and Preferences dialog to ensure consistency. If some widgets or native dialogues appear mismatched, make sure Eclipse is using the correct GTK or SWT theme integration on Linux or toggle legacy rendering options and restart. If colors remain incorrect, disable the theme plugin, reset to the default, then reinstall the plugin. This clears corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always test in a fresh workspace to isolate workspace-specific color.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.